Hi. Welcome back to our channel YuvaTeck. Please don't forget to give your feedback after watching this video. We also request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. In the previous video, we learned about the concept of avalanche and Zener breakdown. Now we will learn about the types of diodes. In general, the three types of diodes are low current diodes, medium current diodes, and large current diodes. The low current diodes will have the forward current capacity up to 100 mA, and reverse voltage capacity will be up to 75 volts. Medium current diodes will have the forward current capacity up to 400 mA, and reverse voltage capacity will be up to 75 volts. Large current diodes will have the forward current capacity a few amperes, and reverse voltage capacity will be several hundred volts. You can see various diodes in this picture with different types of packages. Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel. Also, we request you to share this video to your friends. Happy learning!